Good morning, friends. I welcome you on behalf of sharetrading.school.com for Nifty analysis and trading. Today, 19th 2016. As we have been tracking Nifty since long, we can see that in hourly chart, Nifty is trading in the bracket of 100 moving average, which will be acting as which has been acting as a resistance, and this 20 moving average, which is acting as a support. So price is trapped between these averages. Now, since in this condition, basically we call it as a consolidation phase, and price has to move beyond these averages. Like here in this phase, you can see that price has moved beyond these averages, and then we have seen after that there was a trend. Once price trapped into the average, then we see there will be a consolidation. We actually when we have plotted this rising bottom, probable pattern of rising bottom in the past, that actually already has formed, and since then actually we are expecting a strong recovery. However, 100 moving average will not allow Nifty to actually start a proper recovery unless unless Nifty crosses this 100 moving average and close beyond this. We will not see a proper uptrend or proper recovery. Now at this moment, in the last day of the week, what will happen? Clearly we can see that it will be a resistance of this 100 moving average. So first of all, there was a resistance of 7,190, which was a Fibonacci resistance level, and market tried and crossed this twice, but it failed many a time. Today market is expected to open at this 50 moving average, which is placed at around 7,150. So price will open, or Nifty will open in around 7,160, and after that 7,160 price will try and test a support at moving average, 50 moving average. After that, if in case it goes north, then retest a resistance at 190, or if it goes south, then it will test a support at 125. So there are multiple support levels, and price will be moving in this trap. So our strategy, if at all Nifty moves yesterday's high, that is the around placed at yesterday's high is around 7,215, we will not go long. So unless market crosses 7,215, we will not go long. If in case it crosses 7,215, then we will be placing our first target at 100 moving average, which is around 7,235, and after that 7,260. So our first target is 7,235 and second target is 7,260 if Nifty crosses 7,215. If Nifty breaches level 7,115 south, then we will keep our first target, which will be near this low, because there was a gap here. So we can expect Nifty to take a support at 7,060. So if in case Nifty breaches 7,115, then our target will be 7,060. So this is what actually our probable trend. So what I'll say is, in a nutshell, 7190 and 7114, this will be a consolidation range. The market will have to break this range, and unless market breaches this level, we will not go long. Rather, this level will be, we will keep it as a 7,115. So 7,215, if market crosses, then we will go long here. So there is a 100-point range, actually a consolidation range. So don't trade in this range, because Nifty will be trendless. 7,215, then we will see a first target 235 and a second target 260-68. If Nifty breaches below 7,114, then we will see a target 7,060. So our strategy is very clear. We will wait for Nifty to break this 100 price range, bracket range, and then only we will initiate our trade. So this 20 moving average for us and 100 moving average as a resistance and the support. So keep eye on this, keep tracking a hourly chart if you are trading a Nifty, and wish you best of luck and happy trading.